It's our first annual event of Gen Rocks. We're excited to get this started. It's going to be a big conditioning workout. We took a little theme off the High Rocks that's being very popular that I'm sure you guys have seen. Very excited. I hope you like what you see today. Let's go.
That's what we do it, baby. Let's go.
It's a good workout. I got a good team. Teammate 1 right here. Oh yeah. Teammate 2 is running right now.
It's good, it's tough, but it's not raining, so it's good today. First Gen Rock experience, we crushed it. Team Dev, we did it all the way. It was really hard, but we worked as a team and got through it.
Gen Rock was awesome, hard, glad it's over, but glad we did it.
It was a lot of fun.
Now that was a success. Thank you to everyone that came out to Gen Rocks. Hopefully I see you next year. Good job, everybody.